Hello guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. The snack we most commonly enjoy with tea or coffee is biscuits or cookies. So today we are going to make some delicious buttery butter biscuits, also known as cookies. So let's get started. For the butter cookies, I have taken 100 grams of unsalted butter and 60 grams of powdered sugar. So as you can see, the butter is very soft. Make sure it's at room temperature before you start whisking it. So I'm going to beat the butter so that it becomes light, soft and creamy. To this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and half a teaspoon of salt. Next add 200 grams of maida or all purpose flour. Mix everything together until it forms a soft dough. So you can see the flour and the butter is all well combined and it formed a nice soft dough consistency. Now lightly sprinkle some flour on the surface. Now just roll the dough into a log shape, making it nice and round. Once done, now take a plastic wrap for the wrap the dough. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap. Once done, place it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to 1 hour so that it becomes firm and easy to slice. After an hour, take the dough out of the refrigerator. It will be firm and perfect for slicing into cookies. Now cut the chilled dough into half-inch thick slices like this. Make sure each pieces is even so the cookies bake uniformly. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes so it's perfectly hot and ready for baking the cookies. Now place the sliced cookie dough pieces onto the baking tray and bake the cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes until they turn light golden and perfectly crisp. So you can see the butter cookies look absolutely fantastic. They have got a lovely golden color to it. Don't leave the cookies in the oven for too long because they can become too brown. Cool the cookies completely till they are at room temperature. And there you go, these delicious buttery butter cookies are ready to enjoy with a cup of tea or coffee by the side. It also makes for a great snack that kids will absolutely love, and you can store them in an airtight container for about 2 to 3 days. So do give it a try, let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. And also follow us on Instagram and Facebook.